Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ethical hacking. We're uncovering some hidden gems in the world of cybersecurity resources. If you're looking to sharpen your skills and become a pro hacker, you're in the right place. These aren't just websites. They're your training grounds and gateways to the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. So buckle up because we're about to explore 25 underrated websites that will take your hacking game to the next level. First up, we have Hack the Box. Imagine stepping into a virtual hacking arena, where your skills are put to the test against a constantly updating roster of challenges. It's not just about theory, it's about rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands dirty in a safe, controlled environment. They've got challenges categorized by difficulty, from beginner boxes to insane ones that'll make even the most experienced hackers scratch their heads. And the best part? You earn points and climb the ranks as you conquer each challenge. Next, we have TryHackMe, a game changer for hands-on learners. TryHackMe throws you right into the action with their interactive labs. These labs are like virtual playgrounds where you can experiment with different hacking techniques without the risk of breaking the internet. TryHackMe guides you through each step, breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's talk about VulnHub. VulnHub is where you go when you want to test your skills against real-world scenarios. We're talking vulnerable systems, intentionally designed to be exploited, all within a safe environment. Think of it as a proving ground where you can experiment with different attack vectors and test your defenses. And the best part? It's all completely legal and ethical. Chapter 4. Over the Wire. Wargames for the win. Over the Wire takes the concept of war games and injects it with a heavy dose of cybersecurity. They have a series of war games, each designed to teach you a specific security concept, from basics to advanced topics like cryptography and binary exploitation. It's like having a personal cybersecurity boot camp right at your fingertips. Pen Tester Lab. Mastering the art of penetration testing. Pentester Lab is laser-focused on penetration testing. They provide a structured learning path, complete with vulnerable systems, hands-on exercises, and detailed write-ups to help you understand the ins and outs of penetration testing. It's like having a seasoned mentor guiding you every step of the way. RootMe, 300 Challenges to Conquer. RootMe delivers over 300 challenges covering a wide range of cybersecurity topics. From cryptography to web application security, RootMe has something for everyone. Each challenge is carefully crafted to teach you a specific skill or concept, and they even have a forum where you can connect with other users. It's not just about the number of challenges, it's about the quality. Chapter 7. Hack This Site, your safe haven for hacking. Hack This Site provides a safe, legal, and ethical environment for you to practice your hacking skills. Think of it as a virtual playground where you can experiment with different hacking techniques without the fear of getting into trouble. They have a variety of challenges, ranging from basic to advanced, so you can gradually level up your skills. It's a great place to start your hacking journey. Chapter 8, CTF Time, the ultimate CTF Hub. For those who live for the thrill of competition, we have CTF Time. CTF stands for Capture the Flag, a cybersecurity competition where teams or individuals race against the clock to solve security challenges and earn points. CTF Time tracks upcoming CTF competitions from around the world, provides rankings for teams and players, and offers resources to help you get started with CTFs. It's your one-stop shop for everything CTF. Chapter 9. Exploit Database. Understanding the exploiter's mindset. Exploit Database is a treasure trove of information for anyone looking to understand how vulnerabilities are exploited. They have a massive database of exploits, complete with proof-of-concept code, technical details, and links to related vulnerabilities. This information is valuable to ethical hackers and malicious actors alike. By understanding how exploits work, you can better defend your systems against them. BugCrowd University. Become a bug bounty hunter. BugCrowd University equips you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in bug bounty hunting. They offer free courses, resources, and a platform where you can connect with companies and organizations offering bug bounties. Chapter 11. Hacker 101. Free hacking lessons from the pros. Hacker 101, brought to you by HackerOne, makes cybersecurity education accessible to everyone. They offer high-quality video lessons, hands-on labs, and CTF challenges, all completely free of charge. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, Hacker 101 has something for you. Chapter 12. SecurityTube, your YouTube channel for all things security. SecurityTube is a goldmine of information on various security topics. From ethical hacking tutorials to in-depth discussions on the latest security threats, SecurityTube has it all. They regularly upload new content, so there's always something new to learn. It's perfect for visual learners. Chapter 13. Cybrary, your open-source security library. Cybrary is an open-source cybersecurity and IT learning platform. They have a vast library of courses, labs, and practice tests, covering a wide range of security topics. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, Cybrary has something for you. Chapter 14. Cyber Aces, Mastering the Fundamentals. Cyber Aces offers free courses on the fundamentals of cybersecurity, making it the perfect starting point for anyone new to the field. They cover topics like networking, operating systems, and security principles, providing a solid foundation for more advanced cybersecurity concepts. Open Security Training offers a wide range of courses, from introductory to advanced, covering topics like cryptography, reverse engineering, and web application security. Their commitment to providing high-quality, university-level training materials completely free of charge sets them apart. Hacksplaining offers interactive lessons that break down complex security vulnerabilities into easy-to-understand concepts. Their approach is visual, engaging, and downright fun. It's the perfect resource for anyone who wants to learn about security without getting bogged down by technical jargon. Hacking Lab provides a safe and legal environment for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and forensics. They offer a variety of virtual labs, each designed to simulate a real-world scenario. Portswigger Web Security Academy offers free training on a wide range of web security vulnerabilities, from cross-site scripting to SQL injection. Their training is hands-on, interactive, and incredibly comprehensive. Hack the Box Academy offers guided training on various hacking topics, providing learning paths that cover everything from the basics of networking to advanced penetration testing techniques. Offensive Security offers a ton of free resources, including labs, training materials, and even a virtual machine that you can download and use to practice your hacking skills. If you're serious about a career in penetration testing, Offensive Security is a name you need to know. Pentest Tools provides a collection of tools for penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. They have everything from port scanners to web application vulnerability scanners, all accessible through an easy-to-use web interface. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting out, Pentest Tools has something for you. SecTools is a curated list of security tools, compiled and maintained by the security community. They have tools for everything from network scanning to malware analysis, all categorized and rated by other users. It's like having a personal recommendation list from thousands of security professionals. Chapter 23. InfoSec Institute, your cybersecurity knowledge hub. InfoSec Institute offers a wealth of resources for anyone interested in cybersecurity, from free articles and webinars to paid training courses and certifications. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, InfoSec Institute has something for you. Chapter 24. Nullbyte, your YouTube guide to hacking. Nullbyte offers high-quality tutorials on hacking and cybersecurity, covering a wide range of topics from basic hacking concepts to advanced penetration testing techniques. Their videos are well-produced, informative, and engaging. Chapter 25. Ethical Hacker Network, your community awaits. This website is more than just a resource hub. It's a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about ethical hacking and cybersecurity. They have forums, chat rooms, and online events where you can connect with other ethical hackers, share your knowledge, and learn from others. And there you have it, 25 underrated websites to help you become a pro-ethical hacker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Happy hacking, and stay ethical.